रोज की भागदौड़ में we often forget to take care of our skin, but not me. Sunday for me is reserved for my skincare.
Thanks to Modicare's Hemp Lab, Hemp plus vitamin C, my skincare regime finishes in just 5 easy steps. Hemp is a globally trending ingredient. The actives come from Europe for this range, which is specially designed to repair and balance the skin. Backed by 3 years of intensive research, this is just what your skin needs. Step 1. Hemp Lab Repair and Balancing Foaming Face Wash. This is a gentle foaming face wash with a built-in brush that reaches deep within the pores to clear excess oil and impurities from the skin. Step 2. Hemp Lab Repair and Balancing Face Scrub. This gentle and excellent exfoliator infused with cold pressed hemp seed oil and vitamin C that helps to fight aging. Step 3. Hemp Lab Repair and Balancing Milk Serum is a lightweight and absorbs quickly. Just a few drops every day and your skin will be younger than ever. Step 4. Hemp Lab Repair and Balancing Face Oil. It contains antioxidant rich oils which gives my skin radiance, the glow that I always aspire to have. Step 5. Hemp Lab Repair and Balancing Moisturizer, which not only nourishes your skin but helps fight aging and promotes rejuvenation. Grab Modicare's Hemp Lab Hemp plus Vitamin C skincare range, your one-stop solution for a complete skincare